Building and monetizing your personal brand requires a strategic approach that focuses on establishing credibility, growing an audience, and creating opportunities to generate income. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Define your personal brand. Identify your niche. Focus on a specific area where you have expertise, passion, or unique insight. Clarify your value proposition. What makes you unique? What problem can you solve for your audience? Craft your brand story. Share your journey, values, and mission to connect authentically with your audience. 2. Build your online presence. Create a website or portfolio. Use it as a central hub to showcase your expertise, achievements, and services. Leverage social media. Choose platforms where your target audience spends time, for example, LinkedIn for professionals, Instagram for creatives. Consistent branding. Use a cohesive tone, design, and messaging across all platforms. Content creation. Regularly produce valuable content such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics. 3. Grow your audience. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and participate in discussions. Collaborate with others. Partner with influencers or brands in your niche. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords to make your content discoverable. Email marketing. Build an email list to maintain direct communication with your audience. 4. Establish credibility. Showcase expertise. Publish thought leadership content. Speak at events, or write guest posts for reputable sites. Collect testimonials. Display endorsements from clients, colleagues, or followers. Build social proof. Share milestones, achievements, or media features. 5. Monetize your personal brand. Offer services, consulting, coaching, freelancing, or public speaking. Sell digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates, or guides. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you use and earn commissions. Sponsorships and collaborations. Partner with brands for paid promotions. Memberships and subscriptions. Create exclusive content for paying members, for example, Patreon, Substack, ads, revenue. Monetize your blog, YouTube channel, or podcast with ads. 6. Scale and diversify. Expand your offerings. Introduce new products or services as your audience grows. Automate processes. Use tools to streamline tasks like content scheduling, email marketing, or customer management. Invest in personal development. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge to stay relevant. 7. Measure and refine. Track metrics. Use analytics tools to monitor audience growth, engagement, and conversions. Seek feedback. Regularly ask your audience what they want and adjust your offerings accordingly. Stay consistent. Building a personal brand takes time, so maintain regular effort and engagement. By combining authenticity, consistency, and a clear strategy, you can effectively build and monetize your personal brand while creating long-term value for yourself and your audience.